Hey guys, this little duet is so short, really. It's just a marvelous and short little exercise which you can do in just 10-15 minutes. So if you're pressed for time, this is an excellent opportunity to practice duet either on violin or a viola. And if you're struggling with flat position on violin in the first position, this is also really useful because it will help you find the right notes very quickly, and you'll find out if you're missing something almost instantly. Well, instantly, really. Take a look. There's a short little extension on the D string where you have to place the third finger on the string and stretch to play the fourth finger. So it's happens a few times. Not really hard, but it will require you to kind of aim a little higher with the pinky, but make sure that the third finger stays in place, doesn't go anywhere. So other than that, this little duet doesn't offer a lot of challenges, I think, but it will be a great opportunity to practice F major position for you guys. If you're having any questions or concerns or commentary, please let me know in the comment section below, and take advantage of the MP3s I'm including and the PDFs of this book. I'm hoping they are helpful to you. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next video.